So far from my God, I want you ugly, I want you to be. I want you everything long and free. Want your love, say on. Your love, get it. I want you trouble. I want you to live to say. I want your love. Hey, everybody know. Love, love, nothing like your love. That's very good. You know that I want you. And you know that I need you. I want your bad, bad, bad. I want your love, and I want your vision. You right there on that. I want your love, and all your love is baby. You right there on that. God ain't that wrong, man. I want you to smile. You know I'm with you as long as you smile. I want your smile. Love. I want you like all your buddies. Want you to buy the window, baby. I want your love. Love, love, love. I want your love. You know that I want you. And you know that I need you. I want your bad, bad romance. Everybody high. I want your love, and I want your revenge. You and me, girl, I'm a bad romance. Whoa, whoa. I want your love, and all my love is revenge. You and me, girl, I'm a bad romance. Whoa, 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 whoa. Caught in a bad romance. Whoa, 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 caught in a bad romance. Watching the wrong night. Say kayo, Mami Felicia, hindi ko pa kayo nagkakayo. I want your love and I want you. I want your love and I don't want you to find a way to lose you. Just wanna, I don't wanna be friends. I don't wanna be friends. I wanna be friends. Watch the wrong man. Watch the wrong man. I want to love and I want to live it. You and me, right there on that. Oh, I want to love and I want to live it. You and me, right there on that. Oh, caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance. Hey, thank you, Bob. Hello, Sean.
Nice to see you again.
Hi, Bob. I'm here. Hi, hello. Hi, Bob. Hindi yung hi.
Welcome back to Jensen.
Nag-abisa ka na today? Yes, of course. And my second time here in Jensen.
So, kumusta yung pagbalik din sa Jensen?
Siyempre, masasabi ako at sa lugar na kaiba ko na I belong. We speak the same language. Talagang...
Hindi ka pwede ibalik yan din sa Jensen.
Hindi ka mawala. Hindi niyo mainan.
Tama.
Very much. Very much. Kasi, maiiyak ka na eh. Uy, batang-bata ako. Kasi kabuhan ko. Really ako.
It's part of the new GMA drama, which is Thesis. Can you tell us about your character here in Thesis?
I play the role of Frida. Frida! Ano siya? Kontrabida siya.
Oh.
Maldita. Siyempre, tuloy-tuloy na yun.
This is a, parang, bago to para sa'yo because you play.
So, sa Little Stars, yung project ko, before this. And naging comfort na,
Komportable.
komportable po niya. Ganahan siya ng mga tita ko. So,
Pero in real life, si Richard was very good friend, mabait yan.
ano?
Okay, bayad ko ah. Oo, mabait si Rich. And since mabait si Rich, meron siya surprise para sa atin.